Okay, let's take a look. First of all, how do you access the online TI-30XS for free? Um, this is a free emulator courtesy of, I think it's someplace in Minnesota, and you have to go through a couple of menus. So you just click on the link or enter the address that I'm gonna put below in the description, and then it's gonna take you here. You click on start, and then click on start again, and then the calculator is right here. So I'm gonna click on that, and you get this. So you can, I made it a little bit bigger. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try to resize this window here. Okay, so put this, oops, if it gets too small, come on man, there it is. You can only make it so small. So let me put this guy over here. Okay, and then I'm gonna resize this thing. Alright, so give me some space to work on. Okay, so here's the deal. This is a problem that someone had trouble with on the science test, and I'm gonna go through it and see if we can work it out. Okay, sorry about the audio, it's kind of noisy here, so let's see. Okay, so first of all, it says that the IMOD technology, let me see what it says here. Okay, so based on the table, IMOD technology is blank times for energy efficient than I'm assuming it's blank times more energy efficient. Okay, let's say it's more energy efficient. So this is a takeaway from one of the exams. So let's say this is more. That's too much. Okay, so how it's, I guess the question is, how many times more energy efficient is IMOD than LCD? So if we want to get a rough idea, and all we have to go on is basically how long the thing lasts. The LCD panel, assuming it's comparable to the IMOD panel, lasts for 10 hours, whereas the IMOD panel lasts for 5 days. So we have to compare these two, but this one is in hours and this one is in days. So we're going to change this into hours. So remember, there's 24 hours in a day, so it's going to be 5 times 24. Okay, so I'm going to go over here, my little friend. 5 times 24, and it's 120. So that's 120 hours. Okay, guys, remember, the only calculator you can use on the exam is a TI-30XS. This one does not look exactly the same as the real one, but it has the same key layout. So you're going to be, the keys are in all the same exact spot location as the real one, okay? All right, so we know that IMOD is 120 hours. It's going to last 120 hours. So now we can compare it to the LCD, which lasts 10 hours. Okay, so how do we know how many times better is the IMOD than the LCD? You just divide them. So you're going to get 120 hours for the IMOD compared to the LCD, which is 10 hours. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and work this out over here. My little friend over here. So I'm going to do 120 divided by 10, 12 times. So according to this, IMOD is 12 times more energy efficient than LCD. So this would be the answer, would be 12. And I don't have the options here. Normally there would be 4 options, A, B, C, D. And I am assuming one of them should be 12. If anybody has any further insight on this, please comment and let me know. Okay. All right. I hope that clears a couple of things up. Well, I hope that helps.